So welcome to another video guys, and in this video I'm going to be making some surfboard wall hangers out of cotton canvas and fabric. Some heavy duty cotton canvas, this stuff is 14 ounce. So I'm just getting any width here. I've sort of played it with the sort of length of my surfboard, and I'm going to fold over twice on each edge so it gives it a nice finished edge, so there's no raw edges. As you can see, a centimetre. Fold over, and then I'll be folding over again. I'm just using some pins here just to hold it all in place before I put the fabric in the middle. So fast forwarding a little bit, I've now sewn the fabric in and sewn across the folded edges to give it a nice professional finish. Really looks pretty good, so pretty chuffed. Sweet. Just finishing off the edges with a bit of extra cotton canvas, and also I've got some organic webbing. It's about an inch wide. So it actually looks really nice, and it kind of goes with the theme I'm going with. So finished product, I'm really chuffed with it actually. I think it goes with the theme really well. I'm about to test it on the wall. I'm going to put some wooden frame support there, drill that to the wall, and then put these on and see what happens.